Hello, I'm Jared, back with another experiment on clouds. We're making clouds today. We've all seen the cooking shows and they're great to watch, but we're going to be cooking a cloud, making a cloud. The ingredients are simple and they're cheap. So I have a glass jar, I have matches, I have a bag of ice, and I have some rubbing alcohol. This is actually 70%, the higher percentage is better. So let's make a cloud. We need water vapor. I could put water in the jar and it would evaporate, but I want to speed it up. Rubbing alcohol evaporates quicker. That's what I need. So I'm going to just put a little bit in, just a splash, and I want to swirl it around, getting as much of that water vapor in that rubbing alcohol to evaporate. And now I'm going to dump the excess out. That's all I did. There's water vapor in there. I need condensation nuclei. It's a scientific way of saying dust. At the center of every raindrop is actually dirt. So I'm going to use matches. Now caution, I know what you're thinking. Rubbing alcohol and matches, that doesn't mix. Well, as long as the flame is extinguished, we have no problems. So what I'm going to do is light the match, let it burn for a few seconds, blow it out, drop it in the jar, and then cap the jar with this bag of ice water. You can see I've let it melt a little bit so it can actually sit recessed into the jar. Let's see the magic happen. Light, blow it out. There's my dust particulates, and I'm going to put the bag of ice on top. Now, your kids are going to say, whoa, isn't that just the smoke from the match? But as you watch it, you'll actually see the current, convection current, swirling around, and that cloud's going to form. And I am going to try and make this user-friendly. With the light on, you can really see the cloud forming. It's not so dense you can't see through it. So what happened is the water vapor hits the cold air, and it wants to condense on the dust in the jar. And when I pull this off, you can actually see the cloud hovering in the bottle, and I can spill the cloud out. And it's just dropping down. Clouds, cooking, dust, water vapor, cold air. Thanks for watching.